In today's video, we'll be going back to the Jurassic period to excavate some dinosaur eggs while simultaneously exploring an enchanted forest where fairies and ponies once lived. Join these kids to see what they discover as they go on their very first excavation adventure to dig up some very special surprises. But first, parents, please consider subscribing so that your kids are able to join Elon and Leia on their many adventures of fun and learning. And now, let's dive right into the adventure today. Kids, what are we doing today?
We're gonna do a dig it up kit.
That's right.
So I have mine.
Today's challenge is boom! Discovery kit, enchanted discovery kit for Leia. And for Elon, we got boom! Dig it up dinosaur excavation kit. What should we do first? Maybe get dressed up, put on our clothes?
Yeah.
You look like Elon's ready. Looks like each kit comes with the orbs, eggs, a mat, tools, and some cards that identify what you'll find. Looks like you guys are ready to start digging.
Yeah, my egg's spinning all around.
Big eggs, and these are like little orbs. These little characters.
Can we open
And Elon, you should be discovering these dinosaurs. Alright, so I think the first thing we need to do is we have to soak the eggs in water for 5 minutes. Clap 3 times.
1, 2, 3.
The magic balls appeared.
Whoa!
Go ahead and get your first egg and put it in the water, nice and gently.
Oh, it's floating!
So we gotta keep that in there for 5 minutes and wait.
Whoa, it's floating so hard. Again for 5 minutes, and it's gonna get soft for 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is super cool. 31, 32, 33, 34. Why is the water going up? How much more minutes? I have a big map right here, E1, and you have a small one. Yep. 42, 43, 44. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I beat you. No, I beat you because I got scissors. 7. What? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Nope, you can't do that. 57, 58, 59, 60.
Go ahead, start digging.
Wait, it's supposed to be flying in the air. I'm taking everything.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa. How's it? I found something.
Ooh, let's see.
It's something blue.
Okay, well, we're getting close.
I see something orange.
Ooh, I think you may have found Shayla. Let's see. Oh, yeah, there it is. Just keep putting more water in that area with your brush. Keep
The
digging.
water's getting pink.
That's fine. How you doing?
Good. I see 1 foot, but also way down here I feel something.
Ooh, we have our first discovery. Oh, there you go. So that one is Shayla.
Yeah, Shayla.
Okay, so now you have to clean her up with the brush.
I got him.
Got him?
Yeah.
There you go, and that is Mr. Triceratops.
Yeah, let's put him in the water so he gets.
This is what Elon has uncovered. Pronunciation, Triceratops. Okay, Mr. Triceratops. Ooh.
I think he's having a shower.
Yeah, it's kind of like a shower.
It's kind of like she's getting. It looks like she looks.
Yeah, let's look at yours. That looks like it's ready to go. I think you're ready for the next egg. Make her stand up. And there is Sheila. Oh, she fell.
She fell.
She fell. It's okay. Okay, that one was kind of hard, huh? That first one?
Yeah.
Ooh, there he is. Nice Triceratops. And there's Leia's Shayla, the pony. Okay, you guys ready for the next egg?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Okay, so the other eggs have been soaking for quite some time now, so they should be fairly softer than the first ones. So yeah, go ahead and get started. Round 2. gonna be Zia.
And look at mine. Let me see.
Oh, so it's this one right here.
Yeah.
It's the T-Rex, otherwise known as Tyrannosaurus Rex, the king of the dinosaurs.
Ooh, I got it out.
Oh, let's see. And who is that?
I don't know.
Zia, it's this one right here.
Zia!
Oh, it's like a fairy. All right, Leia, you're getting started on your third egg.
Yep. Already got it out.
Oh, when Mr. T-Rex is out. Let's see him.
Rah.
Oh no, Triceratops. All right, there is Mr. T-Rex. Almost looks like Godzilla.
He's gonna eat a triceratops.
All right, third and final egg. Let's go.
Whoa, I see something.
Oh, let's see.
Whoa, I see
Oh,
something
there
too.
he is. That is going to be Stegosaurus.
Yeah.
Our last one, this is Mr. Stegosaurus.
And Daddy, I see something in there.
Where's yours?
It's right there in the middle.
Ah, it's Pippi, which
Pippi!
looks like another fairy.
There.
You got it?
Yep, I got him.
Ooh, good job. Now you just got to clean it up.
Yep, let me bring him up.
Pippi the male fairy. There you go. All right. Oh, Elon, you got your last one too.
Dun dun.
Mr. Stegosaurus.
Uh-oh, what is? I think this guy's the bad guy.
It is. Tyrannosaurus has been known as the bad guy.
Find him.
But Triceratops and Stegosaurus can put up a good fight. Leia's got some enchanted fairies and a pony. Yeah, pony. And Elon's got some dinosaurs. All right, guys. So, did you guys enjoy that?
Yeah.
All right. Well, Elon, can you name all those dinosaurs?
Triceratops, T-Rex, Stegosaurus,
Okay.
Triceratops.
Triceratops. That's right. But you said T-Rex. That's the short name. What's his real name?
Tyrannosaurus Rex.
That's right. And Leia, what do you got?
I got a pony and fairy.
2 fairies. Good job.
If you like our videos, please like and subscribe.
Yeah, okay.
And when you grow up, kids, you might want to do this.
Thanks for watching.